Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to generate AI images in Facebook Messenger. So I'll be showing you two ways how you can do this. So let's get started. So first thing, make sure that your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. Go to your Play Store or App Store and update it. After that, just come into the home interface of your Messenger app, and to the top you're having this Ask Meta AI or search, right? Click on that icon. So we will be having this Meta AI chat interface. Here just type slash and we'll be having imagine. Click it, and here just give the prompt of your image. I will just go with this prompt and run it. I have got a image, and if you want to download it, you can click on this button. This will get downloaded. Yes, the image is saved. And if you want to send this image to someone, click on the first icon. You can just directly send that image or even put it in your story. And next we are having the edit icon. Click it, and here we are having multiple options. So first thing is, we can convert this image to these many styles like 3D, anime, comic style, classical, clay and other stuff. And apart from that, here we are having the animate option, which converts this image into a short video. So I will just click this. So as you can see, this image has been converted into a video. That's amazing, and you can simply save that video also. If you want to redo it, just go back. And next, if you want to change the style, I will just go with anime, and this exact same image will be getting converted to anime style. So that's the anime version, and you can even convert this into video also. We have got an anime style video now, and let me just undo it and come back to the original image. And here you can also type and give some edits. So here we are having describe edits, right? Click it and just type what you want to add, remove or change. So if I click on add, we'll be getting this add thing. Remove means remove will come here, change will be coming here. So I'll just go with change, and I will type. So after selecting change, I'm asking it color of the cat to red, and run this. And damn, the cat's color has been changed to red. And after that, you can do the exact same options or convert it into a video. And after that, here you will be having Meta AI in the chat, which you will be able to see your past image creations. Now let's say, what if you wanted to send images to the person that you are chatting? In that case, just open any of your conversations and go to message and type slash imagine, and now you can give the prompt. Okay, so I have set the prompt cat on a tree, and I'm getting the cat on a tree image, and we are having the exact same options, download, edit. The only difference being this directly comes to the chat with the person. So imagine you're chatting with your friend and you want a AI image. You can use this feature directly in the DM rather than going in Meta AI and doing it. And here also we are having the exact same options. So now let's say here we are getting only one image in the output. What if you wanted multiple images? So for that, the same thing, just go to slash imagine, and here you're having this 3-star icon. Select it, and here we are having these many options like create an image with text, explore ideas. So you can just check it out. I'll just go and describe an image. I'll just go with dog and send it. Here, as you can see, I'm getting multiple images. So in the Meta AI chat, you are able to get only one image as the output response, right? Here I am able to get multiple images, and you can play around with it. You can choose an image, or you can just like do anything of your choice over here, and you can click on send, and that directly sends that image over here. So this is another way in case if you want multiple options to choose from. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.